Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video to show how I've mounted these 1-gallon RotopaX gas cans to the front rack of my 2020 Outlander Max 650. I've received quite a few comments in some of my other videos asking me how I mounted them, so I thought it'd be easier just to put a video together and show you exactly how I've done it. It's not the most economical way of doing things by far, and if I was to do it again, I probably wouldn't go this route because of how expensive it is to carry less than 10 liters of fuel. Each of these gas cans is only 3.8 liters, and that's provided you fill it right up. So I mean, there are definitely cheaper ways. By the time you buy the RotopaX mount, the gas cans, the backing plate, it gets pretty expensive. So I know Tesseract, I use the Tesseract boxes myself on both the ATVs, and I have other videos about those. But Tesseract makes a gas can that goes in this same spot on both sides of the front rack, and it works out to probably be about 40% less than doing it this way. So what I have done is, it is the 1-gallon cans. You can see the RotopaX mount just mounts right through here to secure it. I'll lift them off. A little bit difficult to do one-handed. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so that's the mount there. Oh, sorry for the dirt. The machines are put together put away for the winter, but this is the mount here. So all I did was I drilled 2 small holes through the rack, one here and one on the other side, just lining up with the holes in the RotopaX mount. And then down underneath it is the backing plate here. So it basically just sandwiched the rack in between the RotopaX mount and the backing plate. And then down underneath, you can see under there, I've just secured it with a couple bolts going through. And that's all there is to it. It's rock solid. I've never had any issue with it in the year or so that I've had it here. I'll place these back on. The cans click into place, and this particular mount has the dual handle, but once it's on there rock solid. So I've been happy with how secure it is and how it's worked out. But like I said, there are far cheaper options than doing it this way. It does look good and serves the purpose, but yeah, there are definitely other options out there aside from just keeping a small jerry can in the back box. But that's how I've done it. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll answer the best I can. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.